How to delete a modifier group on TouchBistro. A quick guide. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by the sheer number of modifier groups on your TouchBistro system? Maybe you've created a few too many, or perhaps you've simply outgrown the ones you initially set up. Whatever the reason, deleting unnecessary modifier groups can streamline your operations and make managing your menu a breeze. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to remove a modifier group from your TouchBistro system. So, what exactly is a modifier group? In TouchBistro, a modifier group is a collection of options that can be added to a menu item. For instance, you might have a modifier group called Toppings for your burgers with options like cheese, bacon, and lettuce. While modifier groups are essential for offering customization to your customers, having too many can clutter your menu and make it difficult for staff to navigate. Step-by-step guide. Log in to your TouchBistro system. The first step is to log in to your TouchBistro account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be presented with the main dashboard. Navigate to Menu Management. From the dashboard, locate and select the Menu Management option. This will take you to a screen where you can view and edit your menu items. Find the modifier group. Scroll through your menu items until you find the one associated with the modifier group you want to delete. Click on the menu item to open its details. Access modifier groups. Within the menu item details, you'll find a section labeled Modifier Groups. This section will list all the modifier groups that are currently assigned to that particular menu item. Delete the modifier group. To delete a modifier group, simply click on the X or Delete button next to the group you want to remove. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your action. Confirm deletion. Click Yes to proceed with deleting the modifier group. Once deleted, it will no longer be associated with the menu item. Additional tips. Be cautious. Before deleting a modifier group, double-check to ensure that it's no longer in use. If there are still menu items referencing the group, deleting it could cause issues. Review regularly. Periodically review your modifier groups to identify any that are redundant or no longer needed. Keeping your menu organized will help improve efficiency and reduce errors. Consider alternatives. If you find that a modifier group is still useful but causing clutter, explore alternative options like creating subcategories within the group or using more specific menu item names. Deleting unnecessary modifier groups is a simple yet effective way to streamline your TouchBistro system and improve menu management. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily remove unwanted modifier groups and create a more organized and efficient menu for your business. If you have any questions or encounter difficulties while deleting modifier groups, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.